class, Miss Graves here. I hope you're doing well and that you're having a great winter break. So, you're such awesome readers. I hope you didn't forget to read. Keep reading. You can find a cool dark place, get a flashlight and your favorite blanket and read in the dark. You could call a family member, FaceTime them, show them what awesome readers you are. Please don't forget to read. So kids, right now, go find your favorite book, go find an awesome place to read, and go read. And then tell your parents about the awesome adventure you went on in your book. Now parents, I wanted to tell you about what's expected of your child when we return to school on January 3rd. On the 3rd, we'll start our reading comprehension testing, which means that your child will be tested in several areas. The first area is nonsense words. So that's whether your child knows all of their consonant sounds and all their vowel sounds, and they know when to use a short vowel. The other area is fluency, which is how many words they can read in a minute. The last area is comprehension. Your child is expected to read at a level G or H. So let's take a look at all three of those areas. With nonsense words, they're the same as CVC words, which means that the vowel is always in the middle and the vowel always says a short sound, like the word cat, dog, mat, mad. All of those have short vowels in the middle. So here's an example of one. And I've also attached a sheet on my website that will tell you more information and give you some examples to practice with your child. The next area is fluency. How many words your child can read in a minute? Your child will be given one passage at a time. They'll be given 3 passages. They'll be asked to read the story as much as they can in 1 minute. After reading, the passage will be taken away and they'll be asked to retell what happened. So if you want to practice that with your child, give them a new story, have them read as much as they can in 1 minute. For example, if your child reads a story and they read 30 words in a minute, then have them read it again and this time say, try to get 35. Then again, try to read it and get 40. And then maybe start the challenge over maybe once a week to help them practice that and to not forget about their fluency and thinking about what they're reading. The last area is their reading comprehension. With the comprehension on levels G, and H, they're expected to do written comprehension. Here's an example of this. The 3 Little Pigs. And a question that they might see is, if the 3 little pigs built a house again, what would they build their house out of? And why? So here's an example of one response. In this response, you can see they don't give the character name, they don't answer the question, and they don't talk about something that happened in the book that helped them answer it. Now, take a look at this response. In this response, they use the characters' names, they answer the question, and they talk about a part of the story that helped them answer the question. So a lot of times I tell the students in class, tell me because. If you use because in your answer, that's going to tell me why. So when your child is answering a question, make sure that they use the word because. They could also show you the part of the book that helped them answer it. And if they need help, you can help them use that in their answer or help them think about that a little bit more and how they use that part of the book in their answer. My last reminder, as I'm leaving you for your winter break, is to make sure you read with your child every night. There was a flyer posted at the reading night at school, and I wanted to share it with you. It talks about 3 students, and the child who reads 15 to 20 minutes every night is more likely to score in the 90th percentile of their testing through school. I also wanted to remind you of those questions and asking your child questions after they read and keeping them thinking about their story. Everything that's on this video will also be posted on my website so that you can have access to it, you can use it at home, and you can print it off at home and use it with your child. So I hope you have an awesome end to your 2017 year, and I'll see you in 2018. Have a great winter break, and see you in the new year.